right, so hey guys, we are still waiting for the wind to calm down. So we thought, well, we'll do that. We're going to do the functionality test like we always do, and of course the cold start. So it's going to be a little bit aggressive in here, I would think, because of the echo. But let's go A, and then we'll move along. Out of the sun here, you guys, for a minute. So I'm just going to do a little loop around the parking lot so you can actually see light on the car rather than being in that dark cave. So as much as we don't do this, let me do a little circle around the parking lot and see if you guys can get a gander at her and see her from different angles in the light. So just going to do a little circle for you, try to keep the video short for you.
All right, we're going to do a quick functionality test for you. There's left flasher, right flasher, there's dims, there's bright. Now we got the windshield wiper. And the radio works, AM, of course. doors.
Start having children.
Brake lights. Left flasher. And the right flasher. Everything works.
On the new spring MyPillow bed sheets, available in any size and any color. These luxurious sheets are designed for maximum comfort and breathability.
And there she is.